seconds.
There you go. See?
Yeah, he got way more. Where's she at? Oh,
Over
she's
there.
over there doing her digging thing. She didn't care, does she?
Nope.
No, you're not ready to go yet. Go ahead. Okay, you're not ready yet. Nana doesn't have you all dried off yet. Boy, you're really wet. You got some thick hair. I can still see soap in you though. Okay. Oh, that's hard on my back. There you go. Here, and you want to roll on your towels too? Here. There you go. There you go, honey. You can be on your towels. Here, you can rub on your towels if you want to. Yeah, see? He's like, this isn't the same as the carpet. Yeah, he wants to go and rub on the carpet. Come on, kids. Come